Good everyone, how you all going? It's the first. That one's standing off and they're standing off. This white one I'm gonna oh, the white one held on this time. I'm gonna walk up to it and just ask it to go away. Go on, rack off. Go on. Yeah, you go away. You're welcome. You two okay? You, wait till they finish their tucker, then you can have some. There you go. You're welcome. I know, they're big bullies, aren't they? I think they can come here and kick you around and tell you can't have your food. Hey? Yeah. That was fun to watch. Oh, you all take it easy. Have a great day, and yeah, you'll have fun.